at the airport. Here's what we will do, one step at a time, me and you. We check in slow, then find our gate. We can sit and watch and calmly wait. Lights may be bright, sounds may be loud. There can be lots of people around. We can use headphones, hold our guide. We can take a break right by your side. We're going on an airplane now, one step at a time. If your body says too much now, we can pause, that's fine. Now it's security, follow the signs. Shoes or pockets may take extra time. Bags in a bin, they roll away. They come right back, they're safe, okay. We walk to board, down the hallway line. We find our seats and take our time. The plane feels full, seats are near. People sit close, we're safe in here. There may be smells we didn't choose. That's okay, they pass on through. Seatbelt clicks, engine starts to hum. Ears may feel funny, chew or sip some. The air may bump, the plane may sway. That's the plane just flying its way. We sit for a while, that part is true, but we came prepared with things to do. If we need a moment, we can tell our grown-up. Hands can signal break, and we can pause. We went on an airplane that took real care, making choices, trying new things. That is brave right there. Your body worked, your brain worked too. You did your best, that counts for you. Now the flight is done, we can rest